This here is a vintage 1986 General Electric 7-4956B AM/FM clock radio cassette player. Before I begin this review, I just want to say that I'm sorry that there's no Magnum 05's Friday Hot Lap this week due to my camcorder issue. It's having this buffer overflow issue, and so that's why I didn't make an episode for it. But I know what you're all thinking. I could have just recorded the episode on this camera that I'm using right now, but sadly for this camera I'm using, it only records up to 15 to 20 minutes long. So, just so you guys know, I'll have the camera fixed up by next week and I'll get back to doing episodes. Alright, so anyway, here we go with the review on this clock radio. Hang on one second. Alright. As you can see by the size of this thing is really big. I mean, it's just huge. There's the AM/FM switch, there's the tuning. The buttons up here is for alarm settings. There's the volume, there's the snooze button. Here's the time set, like if we want it to go forward or reverse, fast or slow. Sleep, bright, on, off. And there's the cassette controls. Record, play, rewind, fast forward, stop and eject, and pause. Anything on this side? Nope. Nothing on the back either. Alright. So right now I'm going to go ahead and plug it in and see if it works. Alright. We have light edge. Oops, sorry for kicking the tripod. Sorry, just wanted to zoom in a bit more. Alright, let me just go ahead and set the time. It's 12:05 right now in the afternoon. Whoa! Lucky for this thing. Alright, there we go. Yeah, luckily for this thing, just in case you happen to skip, it has reverse, so that's a cool thing about this clock radio. Let me see if the dimming works. Yep, it does. Oop. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I think the thing's stuck here. There we go. Jesus. Alright, sorry about that, you guys. I had to fix that. Alright, anyway, let's go ahead and turn on the radio. Let's see if it works.
From the entertainment capital of the world.
Sorry, I kicked the tripod again.
Store near you. You have to see it.
Alright.
When Adam slowly walking faster than it's me.
Alright, now we're going to test out the AM.
He's putting his...
آینده من راجبش صحبت میکنم. اگه یادتون باشه
Custom
McAdams and
Alright. Alright guys, here you go. As you can see, the radio works. Now we're going to see if the cassette player works. Put this one in. Oh, wait a minute. There we go. Alright, here we go.
Our guardian star lost all his glow the day that I lost you. He lost all his glitter the day you said no, and his silver turned.
As you can see, it works.
Like you lie and that
Pause button works.
your love is true.
Alright. Cassette player does work. It works alright. Okay. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this review on this 1986 General Electric 7-4956B AM/FM and clock radio cassette player. So all I gotta say for now is that's it, and thanks for watching.